Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial video where I show you how to auto-assign roles for users as they join your Discord server. So first things first, you need to create the role, and it's very easy to create a role for a server that you run. You just go up here, click the drop-down arrow where the server name is, and go to Server Settings. Then we want to go to where you see right here under the server, we want to go to the Roles option here. And then you're going to see a bunch of different roles if you've created them, but I'm going to assume that you haven't yet. You want to click the blue button that says Create Role right here, and then you want to go ahead and give the role a name. So I'm going to name it Auto Assign, and I'm going to give it a color just so we can kind of notify exactly what that role is. And then you can see here down below, it'll show you what that role looks like when they type something into a channel within your server. Once you've created that role, you want to go ahead and go to Save Changes here at the bottom, and then hit Escape to get back to your server here. Now, what you have to do next is you need to install a very simple bot to your Discord server. Very easy. And the bot that I recommend you use is a bot called DYNO, D-Y-N-O. And I'll include this URL in the description of the video for you to click on to add it to your server. You can go to dyno.gg/bot. And we'll have a couple of ways we can do it here. For you, I want you to click on the Add to Server button here, and then you'll see they have free and premium plans as well. As you can see, we're going to go ahead and add the free plan to our server here. And we'll add the free plan. Go ahead and select the server that you want to add it to. So for me, it's going to be this server here. And go ahead and click the blue Continue button. And then just leave all of these checked here in case you want to use one of them at a later time. Click the blue Authorize button here, and it will automatically add the bot to your server. So then it'll have you a welcome or a setup process here. Go ahead and type in the name and fill out this form. All right, and once you fill that out, it'll take you to the back end of the bot here. And remember, all this is happening in a web browser, by the way. So here we are, we're in the server, we have the different modules that we can edit. The one we want to go to is the one that says Auto Roles. So we can enable or disable a module by checking the box here. You want to see it green, which means that it's enabled on your server, and then go to Settings here. Now, under Add Role, you can see we can actually add a role, or what we can do is we can select one. So right here, I'm going to go to Auto Assign, the one that we just created. Basically, that's it right there, and we want to add that over here to Auto Assign. Now, Auto Role List, what does that mean? This means that when someone joins the server, it will automatically add them as this role type when they're added to your server. So let's just say you joined this server right here that I'm working on right now. You will automatically be given the role Auto Assign, okay, immediately upon joining the server, which means what? That means that you need to go back to Discord, you need to go to your server settings, once again, go to your roles and find that one that we just created and hit Edit with the pencil icon and go up to Permissions. Just remember, when someone joins the server, they're going to have the permissions of the role that's auto-assigned to them by you through the bot. So we can go here and we'll say, I want them to be able to view the channels, but that's it. I just want them to be able to view. I don't want them to be able to add or send messages or respond or do any of that stuff here. I only want them to have the permissions to view channels, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click Save Changes. And now when someone joins this server, they'll be put into the general channel here where they will be auto-assigned the auto-assign role. That's it. That's all you have to do. You need to quickly install the DYNO Bot right here. I'll put the URL down below, and you can see right here that we can auto-assign them. Now, if you ever want to remove a role, you can go here and you can click Remove, and then you can go back here and you can add a different role like Member, add that, and that will give them the ability to be auto-assigned the member role. But remember, they'll also have the permissions of that role as well. So remember, you just need a very easy and simple free bot. Install that to your server very quickly, go to the auto role module and apply the one you want, and you are good to go. If you have any questions about doing this, please put that in the comment section below. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.